'Cause some things just don't change. It's better when they stay the same. Although the whole world knows your name, so on the bigger stage they came to see you spit your game. Oh, shouldn't be difficult to explain just why you came back again. You hate the fame, love the game, cold as ice. You remain, fuck them all, tell them all. Eat shit, here we go again.
Is it that time again already? Okay. Y'all look too happy to see me. Fuck, man. Don't everybody want me back at once. Alright. Fuck y'all, man. You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch, dog. Fall back your mutts, fuck your worms. You never seen such a sick puppy, fuck it a sick duck. I want my duck sick, mommy, and my nuts slick. Gobble them up, trick, yummy. Bitch, you don't fucking think I know that you suck dick, dummy. You get your butt kicked, fuck all that love shit, honey. Yeah, I laugh when I call you a slut, it's funny. Shorty dance while I diss it to the beat. Fuck the words, you don't listen to them anyway. Yeah, struck a nerve sucker, motherfucker. Might as well let my lips buckle like Elton John. 'Cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. This shit is on, 'cause you wouldn't piss me off. Now I'm sitting and pissing on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. So pop the Buddha, light a bomb. But take a look at Mariah next time I inspire you to write a song. Come on.
Oh, I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, blows.
Fuck it, I'm a loose cannon. Bruce Banner's back in the booth. Y'all are sitting ducks, I'm the only goose standing. I set the world on fire, piss on it, put it out. Stick my dick in the circle, but I'm not fucking around. Motherfucker, I'll show you pussy footin'. I kick a bitch in the cunt till it makes a queef and sounds like a fucking whoopee cushion. Who the fuck is you pushing? You must have mistook me for some sissy soft punk. Looking for some nookie or bosom. Go ahead, fucking hater, push me. I told you ain't no fucking way to shush me. Call me a faggot 'cause I hate a pussy. Man, the fuck up, sissy, G's up. All you gardeners freeze up. Put your hoes down. Shady, ease up. Man, chill. Nah, I can't. Goddammit, rap is a landfill. Drop the anvil. These are shoes that you can't fill. Shit, the day that happens, the world will stop spinning and Michael J. Fox will come to a standstill. During an earthquake, urine in your face 'cause you're fake. Ah, what the fuck? That hurt. Wait. Ah, what the fuck? I just got struck by lightning. Alright, then I quit. Gotta give up. Call it evil that men do. Lord, forgive me for what my pen do.
This is for your sins, I cleanse you. You can forget, but I warn you if you continue. To hell I send you.
And just then the wind blew and I said,
Oh, I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, blows.
how long will I be this way? Shady until my dying day, till I hang up the mic and it's time for me to say so long. So then I drop the fucking bombs like I missed the pass when I went wrong. If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass in a link thong. Now sing along, slut this, slut that, on the words of the song. Oh, bitches don't like that. Homie, I'll be nicer to women when Aquaman drowns and a human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I roll so low, so don't compare me to the mother bums over there. It's like apples to oranges, peaches to plums. Yeah, I'm bananas, pussy caught up the grapes and grow a pear. But I swear, you try to diss me, I'll slaughter you. I put that on everything, like everyone does with auto-tune. The last thing you wanna do is have me spit out a rhyme and say I was writing this and I thought of you. So
I'm as cold as a cold wind blows when it snows and it's 20 feet low. Ask me why, man, I just don't know. No. I'm as cold as the cold wind blows, blows. I don't know what caused me to be this way. I don't know, but I'll probably be this way till my dying day. I don't know why I'm so cold, me things I don't need to say. I guess this is how You made me.